Welcome to this edition of the First Aid Show. At ProTrainings, we've been training CPR for years, online and face-to-face. One question that's commonly asked is, the theory of CPR seems easy, but what is it like to actually deliver CPR in an emergency? And first aiders wonder if they'll be able to do it. We asked a paramedic for their thoughts on what it's like to actually deliver CPR.
If you haven't done CPR before, I would like to reassure you that your basic training kicks in and the adrenaline is running through your body and you have this strength and capacity to deliver good CPR that you didn't know you possessed. What you should do is literally just focus on the basics. So you will be told on the phone how to deliver good CPR, good chest compressions. Follow the instructions. So you're going to interlock your hands, use the heel of your hand, lock your elbows, and you're going to push hard and fast in the center of the chest. And you just keep doing that, alternating with another person if you get tired or fatigued. It might feel like an age before the emergency services arrives, but then after the event, you suddenly think, where did that time go? It's very normal to feel drained and exhausted. It physically is demanding to administer CPR and all your emotions are going through your body, and it affects all of us. Even now, it doesn't matter how many years that you've been doing it, you're trying to save a life. So it is a significant event. Afterwards, give yourself time, talk to the crew and the people that have been there with you, talk to people at home, give yourself a chance to process what happened. If there is an opportunity to find out whether the person survived or not, then just talk that through and understand that unfortunately, as much as we would like to, we can only save 8 to 10% of all people survive a cardiac arrest to the point where they're discharged home from hospital. So it's a really, really rare event, but you're giving them every best chance to survive by doing those chest compressions.